Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, the second one in English. We are here at the ISTER International train from Bucharest to Budapest, and we are on the Timiș Valley. We are going to Brasov. I've started this quite late, but no problem. I thought let's do a video now and let's travel a bit with this nice train. So let's do this. Yes, I'm in the Pușet car, nice compartment of 6. We are going here, and it's okay. It's sometime over Aston-Coradia at 8 o'clock in the evening. Next stop is Brasov. Pick up some speed here, 100 kilometers per hour. The ISTER International train is one of the best trains in here, in my opinion. This and the Dacia train. So that goes to until Vienna. I don't think it's better, but it's nice. So we'll arrive here in Brasov and have to change locomotive. So from electric to diesel, because we are going through some unelectrified lines through Sibiu and Vințul de Jos. After that, from Simeria, it's going back to electric locomotive. So it's okay. I won't film until then, but you will see. Yeah, the summer season just started 2 days ago, so it's very, very nice. This is some new train, Alstom Coradia. It's the private operator Interregional Călători. Okay, we arrived in Brasov. We have about 20 minutes here until locomotive change. As you can see, a lot of people here just changing trains or departing, arriving. Okay, the people are boarded. It's time to go. Let's go. Bye bye Brasov. .30 kilometers per hour. They have done some nice job here. These lines were not here a few weeks ago. Getting on another line. Normally we had some speed here, but now we are going on another. Oh, they are doing some works here also. I didn't get this until now, so it's something new. Nice. It's Bartolomeu in Brasov. There were a lot of lines here, but they are redoing them, I think. Alright, we are heading towards CPU and the Deva and Arad. It's okay. We don't take any longer because it's getting late, so I have to go to sleep. But it was a very good experience, and I'm glad to have enjoyed it with you. So thank you for being with me. Please give a like, dislike, comment please down below, and say if you want for me to do anything else in English for you to understand and see it. So bye, and God bless you.